U.S. presidential election 2020. Too close to call. It makes sense for both candidates to wait until all the votes come in if you look at the numbers. This is data sloppily drawn by me, written by me, but it comes from the Wall Street Journal. I think generally respected news outlet, center right leaning a bit, but I think for something like this could be counted on for reliable data. With that being said, some people might say Arizona and Wisconsin could still be in play. They've been called for the Democrats, so that's how part of why Biden's up here at 248. Trump has 214. Looking at the lead percentage of lead for the candidates in red, Trump, blue, Biden, 30% lead in Alaska. That's pretty huge, but still haven't called it. There's 3 there. Much closer in Georgia, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, 7%. It's pretty large difference there. However, as I'm sure people have heard, all the states are continuing to count, and there's a difference, of course, between ballots that were cast on election day and mail-in ballots. And it seems that mail-in ballots, for instance, tend to be more Democrats. I don't think there's anything anyone can say with certainty, though, at this point. But I think that's why the numbers in Pennsylvania, Michigan, and Wisconsin have gone at least a little bit more Democrat for Biden as the day has gone on. But let's say that these ones that Trump has a lead in keeps, what would happen with the numbers there? 20, 15, 16. These states still saying it's too close to call. But let's just say Trump gets all those. Okay, that's 11 and a 3. That's a 14 here. Boom, that's a 40 and a 1 right there. That's a 5. Okay. Add that, 54. That gets Trump 268. Biden, much closer. 0.6% lead in Nevada, 0.6% lead in Michigan. But let's just say that he gets those, the 6 and the 16. Okay, add those together, you've got yourself 22, right? Right. Boom. That's how you do that, in case you're wondering. Add that. Carry the 1. 6 and a 7. There's a 2. 270. 268. For Biden and for Trump, I really think it would make sense to wait for all these ballots to get counted, because you don't know. These ones are close. This one probably get a little bit more Democrat. This one maybe not. Who knows? Do I know? I don't know. Does anybody know? It's all predictions, but based off the numbers right there, it makes sense to let all the votes be counted, and that's also part of the rules. That's it.